If I were completely broke in 2026 and had to start over from scratch, these are the 5 AI businesses I would seriously consider. Not the businesses that sound cool on Twitter, not the businesses that get millions of views because they're flashy, the businesses that will actually give beginners a realistic chance of making money online. Because here's the reality. AI has created more opportunities than ever before, but it's also created more distractions than ever before. Every day there's a new AI tool. Every week there's a new AI trend. Every month, somebody claims they've discovered the next revolutionary AI business model. And most people spend their entire year jumping from opportunity to opportunity without ever committing to one thing long enough to actually make money with it. So in this video, I'm going to rank the 5 best AI businesses to start in 2026 for beginners from worst to best. So definitely stick around for number 1. My name's Fred. I've generated over $5,000 in cash collected within 48 hours with AI and digital products. And after testing tons of different online business models, I know which ones are actually worth doing and which ones are mostly hype, but in reality, they're horrible. So if you want to get my free course that shows you exactly how I make money online with AI and online courses, the link is in the description below. And if you want to get even faster results, you can apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. And on that call, I'm going to give you a custom step-by-step roadmap so you can reach $10,000 a month and more with AI and digital products. All the links are below in the description. Coming in at number 5 is AI content creation services. This is where you use tools like ChatGPT or Claude to help businesses create blog posts, social media content, email campaigns, video scripts, newsletters, and other marketing assets. The reason this business model is attractive is because it's relatively easy to start. You don't need a product. You don't need to have an audience. You don't need complicated software. You simply find businesses that need content and use AI to help you deliver it faster. The downside is that you're still selling your time. Every new client creates more work. Every new customer requires more attention. And while AI can make you more productive, you're still fundamentally running a service business. You're still selling your time for money. That's why I think it's a decent starting point, but not necessarily the best business, absolutely not. At number 4, we have AI automation services. This is where you help businesses automate repetitive tasks using AI tools. Maybe you're helping them automate customer support. Maybe you're helping them automate lead generation. Maybe you're helping them streamline workflows that currently consume too much time. There's definitely money in this space because businesses love saving time and reducing manual work. However, the reason I don't rank it higher is because the learning curve is often much steeper than people realize. You're dealing with multiple tools, integrations, troubleshooting, and ongoing maintenance. For some people, that's exciting. For beginners, it can quickly become overwhelming. It's a legitimate business model, but it's not as beginner-friendly as many YouTube videos make it sound. Number 3 is building a paid community using platforms like School. This is one of the most underrated business models right now. Instead of selling a one-time product, members pay monthly to access resources, courses, discussions, accountability, networking opportunities, or ongoing training. Even live weekly calls. AI can help you create content for the community, generate posts, discussion ideas, answer people's questions quicker, and organize resources. The reason I like this model is because recurring revenue is really powerful. Instead of starting at zero every month, existing members continue paying as long as they're receiving value. The challenge is that communities require ongoing engagement. People need reasons to stay. They need fresh content. They need interaction. They need support. That's why communities are often strongest when they're paired with another business model rather than being the only thing that you sell. At number 2, we have AI consulting. This is where businesses pay you to help them understand and implement AI within their company. Right now, many business owners know AI is important, but have no idea how to use it effectively, especially the older generation. They don't know which tools to adopt. They don't know how to integrate AI into their workflows. They don't know how to train their teams to handle AI. If you become knowledgeable in the space, there's definitely demand for that. The reason I don't rank it number 1 is because consulting is still heavily dependent on you. You're selling expertise, but you're also selling your time. You're selling access to your knowledge one-to-one. And while that can be very profitable, scaling it usually requires hiring people or working more hours. In other words, there's a ceiling. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, let's talk about what is by far the best AI business for beginners in 2026. High-ticket online courses. Not $29 courses sitting on Udemy praying someone buys them. I'm talking about premium, high-ticket educational products that solve meaningful problems and help people achieve meaningful outcomes. Courses that sell for $1,000, $3,000, $5,000, even $10,000 or more, depending on your niche and the transformation that you offer. The reason I rank this number one isn't because it's easy. It's because the economics are incredible. The profit margins are often extremely high. In many cases, you're looking at 80 to 95% profit margins because once the product exists, the cost of delivering it to another customer is very low. More importantly, you're selling a product rather than selling your time. That's a massive difference. If you're consulting, every new customer requires more hours. If you're freelancing, every new customer requires more work. But with a course, the same product can potentially be sold hundreds or thousands of times. That is leverage 101. And here's where AI changes everything. A lot of people think that they need to be world-class experts before they can create an educational product, an online course. They think they need 20 years of experience and 10 PhDs, all the credentials in the world. They think they need to know everything, but that's not necessarily true. Obviously, there are certain fields where expertise is essential. You shouldn't pretend to be a doctor. You shouldn't pretend to be a lawyer. But outside of those few specific situations, many successful course sellers simply organize already available information into a clear roadmap. The internet already contains enormous amounts of knowledge. Claude and ChatGPT can help you gather it. They can help you structure it, simplify it. They can help you create lesson plans, examples, exercises, interactive PDFs, frameworks, all these things. Think about what people actually pay for. They don't pay for information anymore because information is everywhere. They pay for clarity, for structure, for simplicity, for convenience. They pay for speed. You either pay with time or money in life. And I'm telling you, it's always better to pay with money. People pay for someone to save them hundreds of hours of trial and error and even money as they would try to figure everything out alone. That's why educational products continue thriving despite the fact that YouTube and Google exist. People don't want 10,000 scattered pieces of information. They want a step-by-step roadmap to follow. Now, another reason I love this business model is because there's multiple ways to execute it. The first option is building a personal brand. This is one of the most powerful assets you can build because trust compounds over time. The more content you create, the more people get to know you and the easier sales become. Like if you're famous, it's just easier, obviously. But if you don't want to show your face, that's no longer a deal breaker. AI avatars and AI voices are insanely good now. In the past, they were all robotic and weird looking. Now they're really good. You can create educational content without ever appearing on camera. You can build YouTube channels, create courses, grow audiences using AI-assisted production from start to finish. The key is that you focus on the business fundamentals, which is selling a solution to people's problems. What's interesting is that most beginners choose businesses based on what sounds exciting, like AI automation, AI chatbots, rather than what creates true leverage, true wealth. They choose complexity over simplicity. They choose trends over fundamentals. Before you try to build the next AI software, how about you make $10,000 a month with an easy business first? People spend months, even years, learning complex systems before they ever sell anything. Meanwhile, the businesses that often generate the most wealth the fastest are surprisingly simple. Find a problem in a specific niche, create a course around it, and you sell that course. AI simply makes the process faster than it's ever been. That's why I believe we're entering one of the best periods in history for educational businesses. The cost of creating products is dropping. The speed of creating these products is increasing, and the ability to reach customers has never been greater thanks to social media. So if I were starting over from zero in 2026, these are the 5 AI businesses I would seriously consider. Content services, AI automation services, strong communities, AI consulting, and finally the best, high-ticket online courses. All 5 can work, all 5 make millionaires, they all make money, but if your goal is building something with extremely high profit margins, with strong scalability, you can scale it far and really quick, and the ability to separate income from how much time you spend working, nothing on the list ever comes close to digital products, specifically online courses. That's why, if I had to pick just one business model to build over the next few months, it would be a high-ticket online course. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.